Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer a stencil to transfer paper. This guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills necessary to achieve professional results. First, you will need a few basic materials, including your stencil, transfer paper, a pencil, and a tracing tool. The stencil can be a custom design or a pre-made template, and the transfer paper can be found at most art supply stores. To begin, place your stencil on a flat surface, with the design facing up. Take your transfer paper and place it on top of the stencil, making sure to align the edges carefully. Secure the paper in place with tape to prevent it from moving during the transfer process. Next, take your pencil and begin tracing the design onto the transfer paper. Apply gentle pressure, making sure to cover the entire design. You can also use a tracing tool, such as a stylus, to help you achieve a more precise transfer. As you trace the design, make sure to apply consistent pressure to ensure that the image is transferred evenly. If you are using a complex design, you may need to use a combination of pencil and tracing tool to capture all the details. Once you have completed the transfer, carefully remove the tape and lift the transfer paper off the stencil. Your design should now be visible on the transfer paper, ready to be applied to your desired surface. Some best practices to keep in mind when transferring a stencil to transfer paper include using high-quality materials, applying consistent pressure, and working in a well-lit area. This will help you achieve a clear and precise transfer, and ensure that your design looks its best. In addition, you can use transfer paper with a grid pattern to help you achieve a more accurate transfer. This is especially useful when working with complex designs or intricate details. By following these steps and tips, you should be able to successfully transfer your stencil to transfer paper. Remember to work patiently and carefully, and do not be afraid to experiment with different materials and techniques to achieve the desired results. With practice and experience, you will become more confident and proficient in transferring stencils to transfer paper, and will be able to achieve professional quality results.